This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. This home is perfect for you and move-in ready. Located on a corner lot. The open, first floor layout makes entertaining a breeze. Dining area off of the kitchen offers sliding door access to the back patio. The second floor is home to 3 beds and a loft. The third bedroom in this home is multifunctional as an office, gym, or nursery. Master bedroom boasts tray ceiling and ensuite bath west/double bowl vanity, separate shower and bathtub, and huge walk-in closet. Spacious laundry room provides ventilated shelving and washer/dryer hookup. Easy access to interstates, military bases, TCC, AJU, EVMS and a variety of restaurants and dining options. Community amenities include Clubhouse west/fitness center, kitchen, and outdoor oasis. Large swimming pool west/2 waterslides.